Hello guys, welcome to the video. We are talking about the Consistency Labs today. Watch the video till the end to know amazing details about the Consistency Labs. Consistency Labs make blockchain gaming easy for everyone who not have enough investment to start blockchain gaming. By holding a specific amount of CLX token, you will be given guaranteed chance to be a scholar under the Axie Infinity Gaming investment. Consistency Labs has a strong capital management. Since launching Consistency Labs, they have noticed a scenario of ever-shrinking token allocation as projects attempt to squeeze as many investors as possible into their first rounds. Consistency Labs assure ample room for the investors. Consistency Labs do not offer investment tiers at this time. Instead, they buy back portion of CLX tokens with each time they make profit with Axie Infinity and other play to earn blockchain gaming projects. This process assures that they benefit holders of CLX tokens uniformly. As one of the first closed-end management funds in the play to earn blockchain gaming industry, Consistency Labs maintains a proprietary analysis methodology for determining how to take most advantage on top-notch projects. For example, in play to earn blockchain gaming industry like Axie Infinity, the various positions they entered for the investors. Quantitative factors such as breeding new Axies and distributing scholarship to the users who hold and stack one CLX token on first come first served basis. Additional for other competitive crypto projects, qualitative factors such as project scope, community feedback also play roles in our decisions. Consistency Labs seeks to facilitate the best long-term financial interest for the investors. If the team concludes that a project remains undervalued at the time of launch, they reserve the right to hold the position until a later date. Conversely, suppose the team deems a project overvalued at the time of launch. In that case, they reserve the right to sell all or a portion of the token allocation relative to the specific allocations vesting schedule. Every time a sale occurs, a portion of the proceeds is converted into CLX tokens, thereby benefiting all investors. Any financial management company requires a balance of transparency and private proprietary methodology. As such, Consistency Labs release monthly investment reports that leverage publicly available qualitative data pertaining to the investment positions. These reports give Consistency Labs investors the ability to accurately track the progress of Consistency Labs investments and make determination regarding their overall relative performance. As the protocol algorithmically by tokens with each position exited, these reports will reflect a general upward trend based on investment activity. Consistency Labs is confident in our professional team's knowledge and capital management abilities. After the first series of monthly reports are released, they are excited to demonstrate these abilities using quantitative metrics. Consistency Labs differentiate itself in the nascent DeFi capital management industry through transparency, long-term focus, and a passion for leveling financial playing field. For more amazing details about the Consistency Labs, please visit their website. Thank you.